Burnt orange leather is classic design cue of Bottega Veneta, reworked into Daniel Lee's contemporary mount bag with impeccable finesse. It's made in the label's Italian workshop from smooth calfskin and incorporates two streamlined compartments within, framed by the V-shaped front flap and exaggerated gold chunky chain. Adjust the long shoulder strap to wear it across the body. Bottega Veneta's cult-followed mount bag is rendered in vivid green as a tribute to creative director Daniel Lee's fondness for the shade. It's crafted in Italy from grained leather to a compact profile with a triangular top flap and a chunky gold chain link handle, then finished with an internal slip pocket. Simply attach the shoulder strap to go hands-free. The pointed envelope-style flap of this black mount shoulder bag echoes Bottega Veneta's signature V, a key source of inspiration for creative director Daniel Lee. It's crafted in Italy from grained leather with an internal pocket and is suspended from an adjustable, detachable strap alongside a chunky gold chain.